how to make a watermark on CapCut. First, go to first stock videos and press the black background button and add your name, their YouTube name or something. Just add it and yeah, and then you have to I'll tell you later. And then you'll just pick your favorite font. Pick your favorite random. I don't really care what you pick. Just pick whatever you want. Yes. Of course. I did be it. If is move. If. Hold on, this will take a bit. Oh, just give me a minute. It's long about me. Up, yeah. And then put opacity to 50 and screenshot, then crop. Just follow how I do, and then go. That's and now you had to go to your video or short. Well, I don't have any videos, so I will just put a random video. Let you see. I'll just put a random video. I'll put this one. And then you just put two. You go to overlay, add overlay, and get the screenshot, and then go to blend. Yeah, and press a good color burn or filter. Filter or a color burn. Color burn or no, it's not color burn. Sorry, it's dodge. Dodge or light filter. Anything you want. Let's put it right there, and then, yeah, you're done. Or you can press filter. I always use filter. And there you go. What? Hope this helps. Bye-bye, everyone.